was in college, I desperately needed extra money to sustain myself. Coming from a low-income background, I had to take out student loans and work to support not only myself, but also my father. On top of tuition, there were living expenses like food and transportation. The pressure to make ends meet was enormous, and I encountered countless scams or low-paying tasks online that offered little more than a couple of dollars an hour. I tried various paths like donating plasma and taking on side hustles, but these efforts had their limitations. It wasn't until I stumbled upon better, legitimate online opportunities that my income transformed. In this video guide, I'll share 11 of the best online jobs for students, evaluated through a student money score that rates each job from 1 to 10 based on factors such as income potential, accessibility, skill acquisition, and future career benefits. Whether you're looking for quick cash or want to build skills for long-term success, these jobs can help you achieve your financial goals. First on my list is Genealogy Research. It may come as a surprise, but genealogy, researching family histories, is a field where college students can thrive. This role involves searching public records, historical documents, and online databases to trace family trees. Demand for genealogy services is on the rise, with people becoming more interested in their heritage, and many don't have the time or skill to dig into archives themselves. Jobs in this field can be found on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr, and the work is often part-time, making it an ideal fit for students. While starting rates might be modest, more skilled genealogists can make significant earnings, up to $80,000 annually, according to data from Glassdoor. For college students, the ability to work flexible hours and hone research skills that might be useful in careers like history, anthropology, or data analysis is a big advantage. I rate this opportunity an 8 out of 10 student money score rating. Number 2, tutoring. Tutoring is an excellent choice for students who have excelled in a subject or test. During college, I tutored for the PCAT, the Pharmacy College Admissions Test. After scoring exceptionally well on it, word of mouth spread, and what started as free guidance for friends turned into a paid gig that scaled up to $180 per hour. If you've aced standardized tests like the SAT, ACT, or specialized exams like AP and IB tests, you could become a valuable tutor. Platforms like Wisent, Chegg Tutors, and even direct outreach through school boards can help you start. Tutoring not only provides substantial income, but also strengthens communication skills and reinforces your knowledge. A bonus if you're planning to pursue a teaching career or further studies. I rate this opportunity a perfect 10 out of 10 student money score rating. Number 3 on my list is an online influencer. Becoming an online influencer has become much more attainable than in the past. When I uploaded my first YouTube video in 2010, monetization was an afterthought. However, times have changed, and platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube offer students the chance to build audiences and earn revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Influencer success does depend on niche selection and content quality. Students at Ivy League schools, for instance, can use their prestigious background to create content about their daily lives or study tips, attracting a significant following quickly. While this route isn't a quick way to earn money, strategic and consistent posting can lead to substantial passive income over time. I give this a 6 out of 10 student money score rating. Number 4, content writing. Content writing is the backbone of much of the internet's information. I can't stress enough how many opportunities exist for skilled writers who can produce blog posts, articles, and scripts for videos or podcasts. Writing is not only a job you can start quickly, but also one that can grow into higher-paying roles like content management or editorial positions. Freelance sites, job boards, and content mills can be starting points. As your writing portfolio expands, so do your earnings. The best part? Writing hones skills that are transferable to almost any field, making this a lucrative skill to maintain throughout college and beyond. Rating: 9 out of 10 student money score. Number 5, graphic design. Graphic design can be a solid path if you have a creative streak. A major factor contributing to success in this field is specialization. For example, creating YouTube thumbnails has become a niche service as they significantly impact click-through rates, and by extension, video success. Some YouTubers test multiple thumbnails to optimize for better engagement, which means they need consistent design support. Although learning to become proficient in graphic design takes time, typically 6 months or more, it can become a high-paying side hustle with dedication. Starting with platforms like Canva and progressing to professional tools like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop can set you apart from global competition. I give this opportunity a 4 out of 10 student money score rating. Number 6, digital marketing. One of the top skills for young professionals today is digital marketing. I've met several people who landed marketing roles with no college degree and minimal experience, some as young as 16 years old. Fields like SEO, search engine optimization, PPC, pay-per-click, advertising, and content marketing are in constant demand. If you're studying marketing or business, this field provides a perfect complement to your education. Even without a background in marketing, online courses and certifications, like those from Google or HubSpot, can help you break into the industry. The skills you acquire are highly valuable and adaptable, making digital marketing an excellent career-building job. This opportunity gets a perfect 10 out of 10 student money score rating. Number 7, IT, Help Desk Specialist. For those who are tech-savvy, an IT help desk job can be a great entry into the tech industry. One of my interviewees shared how they secured an IT help desk job in just 14 days using only an iPad. The tech industry is known for its high pay, job satisfaction, and career mobility. Starting as an IT help desk specialist opens the door to positions in cybersecurity, software development, and tech sales. Students who take on this role while in college often end up choosing to pursue tech full-time due to the advantages it offers, remote work options, strong job security, and a range of career paths. This opportunity also gets a perfect 10 out of 10 student money score rating. Number 8, video editing. Video content is more popular than ever, and with the growth of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, video editing has become an in-demand skill. The challenge is to excel beyond basic editing. To stand out, specialization in retention editing, a style that emphasizes audience engagement to keep viewers watching, is essential. Though video editing can be done from anywhere, global competition means you need to be exceptional to command high pay. You can carve a niche by focusing on specific types of content, such as personal finance videos or educational channels. This way, you build expertise that's harder for generalists to match. Rating, 7 out of 10 student money score. Number 9, web design, UX UI. Web design focuses on creating user-friendly and visually appealing websites. This field is ideal for students with an eye for aesthetics and a knack for problem solving. Web design doesn't require a college degree, making it accessible to students through courses and certifications. To gain experience, students can take on small projects or internships, build their portfolio, and eventually offer their services as freelancers. Web design not only pays well, but also combines creative and analytical skills, providing a fulfilling career path. This opportunity gets a 7 out of 10 student money score rating. Number 10, software development. Software development stands as one of the most lucrative and secure jobs on this list. Entry-level software developers can expect to earn around $95,000 annually, with experienced developers earning significantly more. This job requires intensive training, typically 6 months to a year of dedicated learning, but it pays off in dividends. Starting with an IT help desk role before transitioning to software development is one effective strategy to break into the field. By gaining initial experience and then moving to coding, students can create a pathway to one of the most desirable career options available today. I rate this opportunity a perfect 10 out of 10 student money score. And the final opportunity at number 11 on my list is a data entry clerk. Data entry is one of the simplest jobs to get into, often requiring little more than basic computer skills. While the pay is usually just above minimum wage, data entry is perfect for students who need immediate income without significant training. However, the work can be monotonous and doesn't offer much in terms of skill development or future career opportunities. Transcription and customer service are similar quick start jobs that may provide short-term income but lack long-term growth potential. This last opportunity gets a 3 out of 10 student money score rating. These 11 online jobs provide students with a spectrum of opportunities to earn money while developing skills that range from basic to highly specialized. Whether you're looking for quick cash, part-time work, or a career-starting experience, there's something on this list for every student. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this How to Make Money video and found the content interesting and informative. Please like and leave a comment and your questions below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.